In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use tables in Slack Canvas. If you're organizing project details, tracking tasks, or aligning on a plan, tables inside Slack Canvas make everything clearer and easier to collaborate on. The best part is that Canvas includes a built-in table element, so you don't need to paste in a screenshot or jump to another app. You can insert a table directly where you're already writing and discussing, and it immediately becomes part of your shared workspace. When you're in a canvas, look for the table option in the editor controls and add a grid to your page. You'll get a clean, flexible structure that you can expand or shrink as your content grows. Click into any cell to start typing and use the familiar text formatting tools right there if you want to add emphasis, links, or structure. You can rearrange your table as your plan evolves, and you can keep everything in one place alongside the rest of your notes, decisions, and resources. What makes Canvas tables stand out is how interactive they are. Instead of treating a table like a static chart, you can use comments to have quick, focused conversations right where the information lives. Add a comment to a cell or to specific text in a cell to ask a question, request an update, or leave feedback without cluttering the main content. Comments keep the discussion tidy and contextual, and they're easy to resolve once an issue is handled so your table stays readable. Mentions are just as powerful inside tables. Tag a teammate directly in a cell's content or within a comment to loop them in. They'll receive a notification, and your table becomes a lightweight, trackable way to delegate tasks, clarify owners, or request reviews. It's a simple way to turn a table into a living checklist for a team without switching tools. A useful tip is to keep the first row as a clear header so everyone understands what belongs in each column. Short, consistent labels make scanning faster. If you're tracking dates or statuses, keep formats consistent so the table is easy to sort visually. And because tables sit right inside Canvas, you can add context around them, like a summary above, links to docs below, or a quick decisions section, to make the page a single source of truth. That's all you need to get started. Insert the table element, fill it with the information that matters, and use comments and mentions to collaborate in place. Your team will spend less time hunting for updates and more time moving work forward.